tutorial is specifically geared to men's skincare routine. And while I have extensive routines such as microneedling, radiofrequency, and many more, I decided to create a minimalist skincare routine for men with basic but necessary steps to ensure you have great skin with minimal efforts, which every guy wants. Below, I have products that you can choose from, and I will explain step by step what you need to do every morning and every night and getting your skin looking amazing. Your face is your personality. You need to take care of it. So let's get started. Very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online, where I share, teach everything to do with health, wellness, beauty care in a balanced way. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider it. Click on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials. Step number 1, washing your face. I know that when you come home or you had a long day at work or activities like sports, you're tired and the only thing you're thinking is maybe have some dinner, watch some TV, and go to sleep. If you do that once in a while, that is okay. But if you continuously doing this, you will start having skin problems, clogged pores, etc. Just think about it. You've been out all day, you touched your face with your dirty hands, small particles of dirt are in the air and is building up on your skin. Your skin will start to get clogged up, the skin cannot breathe, leading to acne and bad skin. Also, if you leave that rancid oil day after day, you are not going to smell pretty. And your special person in your life will not like that. So, every night before you go to bed, wash your face. The 2 cleansers below that I have listed are very mild. They will not strip your skin and will leave your skin fresh and supple. If you have a cleanser that dries your skin and makes you feel tight, then you're actually making it worse. You're irritating your skin. So for example, if you use the bar soap that you use on your body onto your face, you might think you feel clean, but actually you're stripping all the natural oils that should be left alone. Step number 2, moisturize your skin. Both moisturizers that I have listed below are amazing, and it is important after you wash your face to supplement your skin with a moisturizer lotion to rehydrate your skin. Hydration comes not only in a form of a moisturizer, but also as water. Because to have a good skin, you need to hydrate your skin internally. So drinking water is essential for your skin. And what I usually do, I get a bottle of water, I put half a lemon, I squeeze it, put my lemon in here, and I drink this every day. So to reiterate or to recap, wash your face only at nighttime really well, apply your moisturizer, and go to bed. In the morning, just splash your skin with warm water and apply your moisturizer. However, if you do have very oily skin or blemishes, I do advise you to spray your skin with water and apple cider vinegar. I do have a tutorial before you apply your moisturizer. If you have blemishes of any kind, I advise you also to change your pillowcase every night. Third step is to take care of the skin around your eyes. The skin around your eyes is different. The pores are very tight or small, and also in this area here and on your neck, we don't have as many sebaceous glands. And sebaceous glands is what keeps the skin nice and supple. So we need to implement an eye cream. So the composition of an eye cream is quite different to a moisturizer that you apply on the face. So treat your skin around your eyes very gently. So you take a little bit of eye cream, just a little bit, and then you gently dab around the eyes. Step number 4 is to apply a good sunscreen every day. It doesn't matter if it's sunny or if it's cloudy, the UVR still comes through the clouds, and the UV rays will penetrate through your skin. It will penetrate, and the UVR will start destroying the collagen fibers in the skin, causing quicker aging. We are going to age, but it's going to speed up the process and even skin cancer. So do not skip this essential step. Now, I don't say to you, do apply an SPF that is, I've seen 100, SPF 100, SPF 80, 75. The higher the SPF, and please do your research, the more chemicals in that product. And that chemical is also a cause of skin dehydration and even skin cancer. So to protect your skin, yes, apply a light SPF 15, apply your moisturizer, and then a skin cap. And if you're a woman, a visor. Step number 5, which is very important to keep your skin healthy, rejuvenated, it is skin scrubbing. One of the things I mention all the time, do not do this more than 2 times a week, maybe 3 times if you feel that your skin is dirty. There's no point to overdo it. Scrubbing removes all the dead cells and you'll see brand new cells right underneath it. As I mentioned, overdoing it will irritate your skin, make it tender and dry. As you're exfoliating your skin will feel cleaner, your pores are cleaning out, but most of all, you're stimulating the blood circulation, and so the skin is nourished from within. So you would wash your face first. You want to wet the skin a little bit and get your scrub. And the scrub has like little granules, and I have here some. And you want to apply, not too much, but you want to apply all over your face and in the area where you have comedone, especially in here, in this area, and in this area here, you might want to apply a little bit more pressure. Also encourage to steam your face, so you could steam before or after. You don't have to have a steamer, but if you look at my steamer tutorial, we'll explain a little bit more. But you could get a pot of hot water and steam your skin, and what that does is softens the pores. So the pores are softened, you apply the scrub, especially in the area where you have your comedones, and your skin will feel nice and clean. Then once that's done, you want to rinse everything with nice warm water. Now, one thing that I want to mention, if you have blemishes like acne, fungal acne, I don't advise you to do scrub in the area because you're going to spread the bacteria around, but you could do the scrubbing away from the blemishes. So be very careful not to irritate those blemishes. Once you rinse the scrub off, then that is the time you would use a moisturizer. There are other steps such as hyaluronic acid to give additional moisture to the skin. If you have a lot of blackheads, you can use salicylic acid, the BHAs. If you feel like it's a little bit dehydrated, you could use glycolic, which are chemical peels. I can go into these products and their benefits, but the main focus of this tutorial is minimal and just necessary steps for a good skincare routine. Now that you know these simple steps on how to take care of your skin, it doesn't take extra work, and you will notice your skin improving, full of life, and you will look amazing. Steps are very simple. A good cleanser, a good moisturizer, an eye cream. That's every day. Twice or 3 times a week, a good scrub. and you can steam your skin at the same time. A lot of times I will mention to people, put your scrub, go into the shower and scrub a little bit more, especially on the T-zone, and that's about it. If you want additional help, you could use hyaluronic acid, BHAs, AHAs. There's different products that you can use, but the main focus of this tutorial is to keep it very, very simple. Look at the skincare below that I have listed, and if you have any questions or comments, please write them below. Until the next time, take care.